Wait, I gotta show you the camera. Boom! Camp Cretaceous Tyrannosaurus Rex. So, this is a new figure, a new toy for Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous, which is going to be a Netflix show in a few weeks. So, we're going to review it and unbox it. So I don't need to unbox it because it's already out, because you already know that, because there's nothing holding it on, and because of these. So I don't need to unbox it. I don't get scissors. So get that box out of here. Now let's get to the real thing here. So it also comes with this. I put the stickers in already. Yeah, it's the kids from the show, the T-Rex, a Triceratops, and a baby Ankylosaurus, and a Carnotaurus. Okay, that's done with that. But first, let's look at the box first. So we'll leave the T-Rex for last. So, looking at the front of the box, there's a background that is going to be in Camp Cretaceous. I don't know what this is yet, but it's going to be cool when I finally see it in Camp Cretaceous. It says Primal Attack, Jurassic World Cretaceous, and the button that tells the button that points down to the tail to now press the button. Tyrannosaurus Rex, and the kids again, and a Carnotaurus with a scar, and how you use Tyrannosaurus Rex, and a symbol for Netflix. And remember, guys, I don't work for Universal Studios, or else I would. I don't need to talk about that because reasons. And that's where you press down, and you could shake the tail. This button was Jurassic World Cretaceous and the Carnotaurus, and it's not for 3-year-olds. So let me read this little. Oh, you don't need to read that. Oh, I'll read this part. No, okay, I don't need to read that. I don't want to read it. So yep, that's it for the box. Now let's get into the real deal about this. Oh shoot. Guys, be right back. Gotta go bathroom. Be right back. Sorry guys, I'm back. Now let's look at the Tyrannosaurus Rex. So it was already unboxed yesterday, so yeah. And I have another Tyrannosaurus Rex and I have another Mattel Tyrannosaurus Rex, but I'm not gonna take it because I'm too lazy. And the other Tyrannosaurus Rex I have has a darker brown, and this one has a lighter brown with tan, and it's really good painted. And let me show you how it's done after I show you the details. So it looks good. The details are nice, scaly. They even sculpted in the scars, which I like, but I would have liked this more if they colored it in white. So I did it myself. I don't know why they can't do it for some reason. And even the teeth are very good painted. Let's go inside the mouth. So in here, the tongue is soft. I just realized that yesterday. And the eyes are good painted. And sculpture's good. Kind of looks like Jurassic Park. It looks like the model from Jurassic Park, because in the first Jurassic Park movie, Rexy looks more tan, just brown. So now let me show you what it does. Okay, I need to get a stand. So you gotta move this, and then if you move it, the neck moves. Hope you guys see it. But the most important thing, and after that, you can move the you can move the you can also do that, and then if you do this, then the head will look up, and if you do this, it goes down. The head looks down. But the most important part about this is the button. That famous, iconic Tyrannosaurus Rex roar. Beautiful. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not crying. So, yeah. I hope you guys saw the whole thing, because I don't want to make this video another time, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this dinosaur review. So I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next one.